and I want to talk to you about the Paystack Dashboard. One sec. Okay, so the Paystack Dashboard has been with us from the very beginning. It's where thousands of merchants track their money, understand their customers, and run their businesses every single day. Now, it's done that job faithfully for a decade. But businesses have changed a lot in 10 years, and we thought that the dashboard should change with them. So we rebuilt the Paystack Dashboard from the ground up for the first time in 10 years. I mean, take a look at it.
Yeah, it goes like this. Dip, dip, da, 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 dip, dip, da, 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 da. Saw you the other day, they get back 'cause they know that it goes, yeah, it goes like this. And it goes, yeah, it goes like this.
So with new dashboard, most of the things you already rely on are still here. Your transactions, refunds, disputes, payouts, analytics, customers, all of it. But now it's easier to get to, easier to read, and easier to act on. And as a merchant, you can use it properly on your phone, as we now have a fully responsive mobile version of the dashboard. We also rethought design from the ground up. Cleaner layouts, better navigation, and this one I'm really proud of, a real investment in accessibility. We want this dashboard to work beautifully for everyone who uses it. Oh, and yes, it comes in dark mode too. But the thing I'm most excited about is something called the Command Center. So I'll type here and you see it up there. Okay, that's it. That's the Command Center. You ask your dashboard a question and it answers. You can even talk to it without typing. Watch this. How do I build a wallet feature into my application? So cool. Okay, now that's actually why we call it Command Center. It's a play on voice and text commands, all powered by AI. You can run your entire dashboard from right here. You've never been able to have a conversation with your own business data before, and now you can. We built this new dashboard for our merchants, those who have been with us from day one, and those that are just getting started. Hold on. All right, so go to dashboard.paystack.com/v2 to get started, and I think you feel different the moment you log in. That's it. Bye.